Hello, it's Professor E-Money back up in this thing with another lovely review. So if you be so kindly to hit that thumbs up, like, subscribe, it would be greatly appreciated. Now, let's jump into this review. It's going to be a quick review because I caught these. This is another part of my steals and deal. If you're new to the channel, welcome to the channel. If you returning subscriber, thank you. I gotta do another giveaway. I know I'm behind a lot of stuff. We just finished the Who Has the Heat. So if y'all haven't checked out that channel, by all means do so. Alright, now let's get into this thing real quick. I caught these, like I said, I always try to change it up on y'all. So here's what we did. We went with the New Balance again. I'm on my New Balance thing. That's right, New Balance. $34.99 at Shoe Palace in Waikiki. Shout out to the bros down there with the steals and deals. Size 10.5 PP personal pair, but these are CM997HZH. Hotel Zulu Hotel, right? Very dope pair of kicks. The higher you go, the better they are, right? The higher you go, the better they are. Nothing spectacular about the paper inside, but we just got these joints right here. Look at that. South Beach in the building, right? South Beach in the building. Look at that. South Beach joints. Dope for the spring, summer, or anytime in Hawaii, right? Because it's always bright. It's always a party. These are fire. Look at me, light. I ain't no juggler, but hey, it is what it is, right? So, with that being said, underneath, check it out. White, black, gonna get dirty right off the rip, but oh well, hey, it is what it is. Got a little bit of suede up there with your nylon materials. As you can see, you got that blue turquoise hit, and you got that New Balance on the tongue, letting you know what it is, that 997H Nimbus, whatever they want, Nimbus Cloud, whatever you want to call it, right on there. Coming around on the side, you got that South Beach, right? South Beach with the end. See that? And then you got it like so. What is that? You got a little bit of more black. New Balance on the side with more of those South Beach hits. In the back, you got New Balance, of course, and you got a little bit of cushion for the pushing in there with the New Balance 997H. And on the media side, you got pretty much the same thing. The same thing, right? Just like here, white laces, nothing spectacular. You got your stuffing, all of that good stuff. So, I mean, hey, it is what it is. So on these, on the little lip meter, because it's a dope colorway, you can never go wrong with South Beach. Definitely 8-hour shoe, because I love, you got to be able to, it's always comfort over everything. Now, when you get a little bit older, you got to have the comfort. You don't need to be walking around and your dogs are barking, right? So with that being said, I'm gonna give it about a 4.6 out of 5. Price point is good. Shoe about $100, so $34 discount, $30 here or there, right? So yep, 4.6 out of 5. Leave a comment suggestion below. Let me know, what do you think? Do you think these were worth it, or is so we can always chop it up. Like I said, I tried to get back to you guys in the comments within 24 for that. Sometimes I miss them and take me a week. I done seen some, I done took a year. My apologies, my bad. You know what I mean? Sorry, I'm human, but hey, it is what it is. It is what it is. Nah, just kidding. But one thing I want to show y'all too, real quick, like real quick. Let me see if I can get it. My stuff don't move, or can't get it. Oh well, I'm gonna show y'all the homie. Go check the homie out. Snooch Customs on IG. Very dope merch. Always holding us down with the show. Other than that, like I said, don't forget to hit that thumbs up, like, subscribe, tell a family member, friend of a friend. E-Money Shoes, I'm out. Peace.